So when we talk about the word function, we're talking about a graph that makes some sort of shape in any sense. That can be a curve graph, it can be a straight line, it can even be a parabola shape. And the biggest thing to look out for when you're talking about what exactly is a function is that we can only have one input to one output. So this is generally how we see it when we initially start talking about functions. And what we have to notice here is that for every one input there is exactly one output. Now, when you talk about things that are not functions, something like this will occur, where one of your inputs actually has two different outputs. And that makes it not a function. So here, where we have one going to one, one going to one, and one going to one, this is a function. But when we have one going to two, that makes it not a function. And there are several different ways to look at this because this is the same as an ordered pair, these are the same as tables, and you can even see these in graphs themselves. So when we talk about if it's a function, we can look at an XY table where we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the 2 is only paired to the 1, the 4 is only paired to the 2, the 6 is only paired to the 3, and the 8 is only paired to the 4. This makes it a function. But if we had something like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 1 goes to 2 and 1 also goes to 3. So this immediately makes it not a function. We can also see this in coordinate points. If we have 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, this is a function. And what we're looking for here is our x points, our inputs, in which we have 4 different x points. But if we had 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, here we have a repeat of 2 x's, and this would make it not a function. So anytime there is a repeat of x's or a repeat of inputs, there is not a function. The other situation that we may see functions are in graphs. And if we see a straight line, or we see any kind of line on a graph, we can do a thing called a vertical line test. This is y, and this is x, and here is our function, possibly. So we have to vertical line, vertical line, vertical line in several different places just so we can make sure. And as long as it only crosses our line once in each vertical line test, then we can say this is a function. But if we had something like a circle, here's my y, here's my x, and we drew a line down the middle here, we can see that our vertical line crosses twice, and that makes this not a function. And how this happens is if we took a graph and we labeled it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and we graphed a circle and then looked at these 2 points right here, you're talking about an x being 1 and negative 2 and 1 and positive 2, or close to that. We're estimating here a little bit. but we can see that our line goes through both of these points, and because this is a vertical line, it's going to have the same x factors. And because of that, this is not a function. Another example of not a function is a vertical line itself, because obviously if we drew a vertical line on top of it that crosses at every single point imaginable, it's an infinite crossing. So this is also not a function.